Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start now, power off the PC, unplug it, and press the power button for 5 seconds to drain residual power. Once done, remove the side panel by unscrewing thumb screws or 2 Phillips screws, then slide the panel off carefully. You should ground yourself with an anti-static wrist strap or by touching the metal case every 30 seconds. This prevents electrostatic damage. Make sure cables are accessible, and you have a flashlight or phone light ready before proceeding to the next steps. You now disconnect the GPU power cables first. Squeeze the latch on each 6-pin or 8-pin connector and pull straight out to avoid bending pins. Next, remove the screw or screws on the PCIe bracket that hold the card to the chassis. Keep them safe for reinstallation. Then, press down or pull back the small PCIe slot latch on the motherboard. Once released, grasp the GPU by its edges and pull straight out evenly, avoiding twisting motions so the connector and slot stay undamaged. Once the GPU is free, lift it straight out by the reinforced edges. Do not touch heatsink fins, thermal pads, or fan blades because oils and pressure can damage components. Place the card immediately in an anti-static bag or on anti-static foam and store it on a flat, stable surface. If the card won't seat again or you see errors, make sure power cables are fully engaged, the PCIe latch is clear, and the slot is undamaged. If problems persist, try another slot or consult support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.